Today we are going to be doing a fun video. This is going to be an unboxing slash haul video slash outfit ideas for bags. If you don't know me, I am Allie. Hello, hi, welcome. And today I'm going to be doing this video in partnership with Verano. They were kind enough to send over these beautiful pieces. I cannot wait to show you all. I wanted to do a little unboxing video, and I'm also a very visual person, so I wanted to show you a couple of little outfit ideas on how to style these bags, what to wear them with. Although I did pick some bags that can go with like anything, but I'm jumping ahead. So, and obviously you can wear whatever bag with whatever you want. But again, just a couple of ideas. Again, a huge thank you to Verano. These pieces are so beautiful. I can't wait to show you. And if you do want to take a look, they are currently running a big promo, a buy one, get one free. Hello, that's awesome. You will be able to get, you know, more than one, which is huge. And they have tons of different styles, different colors. I always try to give like a little bit of a variety to show you all. So I picked some pieces for like everyday, going out, whatever, which I love that they do have tons of different options for you, different styles, different colors. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first bag that I'm going to be showing you is the Marseille. Let me get that for you. When you do receive your pieces, they do come in these beautiful bags. I'm literally just gonna open this up with you. I took a little peek, I did, but we're doing a full-on unboxing together. So let's take this out. Here we have, and this is a Marseille. I did get it in black. So this is a Marseille. This bag does come in currently 6 different colors if I am seeing things correctly online. This is so pretty, and this does look like a very high-end luxury piece. This is what it looks like. Let's take off these protective little pieces. I love that everything's like very wrapped and protected well. Okay, there she is. Oh, she's a beaut. Look how beautiful this is. Again, the size is like perfect for every day. There's a little tag, I have to take that off. This is so pretty, and the quality is really nice. Like, this is nice and hefty. Material looks very high-end and feels very high-end. You can see it does have like that, I don't know, croc leather look. It has that gold hardware. Beautiful handles, right? This is functioning, so you can undo it if you want. Beautiful. Here we have the zipper. Let's open this up and look inside. So it is very spacious in there. Let's take the stuffing out here. Let's see what's actually going on. And you do get an extra strap. You get a long strap too. So if you do want to wear it like on the shoulder, on the longer side, let me open this up to show you all. And the leather does feel really, really nice. Let's attach that onto the side. Little pieces. I will cut off that string, don't worry. But just to show you. Ooh, and now this strap is obviously, you can remove it, attach it if you want, and it is adjustable. You have different little notches here. So if you want it longer, shorter, you can. You can wear it just like that. Oh, that's beautiful. And this, I have the outfit that I'm currently wearing, I feel like would go perfectly with this. Like, hello, don't mind me. So pretty. Oh my gosh, beautiful. It is so beautiful, and it does come in 6 different colorways from what I can see. I got it in black. Comes in black, burgundy, beige, dark brown. Ooh, the dark brown looks nice. Navy blue and gray. I really like the dark brown and the beige and the burgundy. I might have to get it in every color, but I went with black because I feel like it's classic. You cannot go wrong. And this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let's leave that there. Okay, let's go on to the next piece. Here's the next piece. Let's open her up. This is the Lauren handbag, I think. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Look at that. So pretty. And you do, again, it does say Verano here, but let's take all of this stuff off. This is the Lauren, and this is in the color caramel. This is also like a medium-sized handbag. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. So, so pretty. This comes in 7 different colorways. So I got it in caramel. It also comes in dark brown, which I was torn. I think I wanted the dark brown, but I was like, I got a dark bag. Let me get a lighter bag. Dark brown is beautiful. Caramel, burgundy, beige. Ooh, the beige is so pretty. Navy blue, ooh, black, and gray. Let's look at what the strap looks like. Ooh. We're going to attach that. I love the option to wear it long or short, depending on what you want, what look you're going for, or what's more comfortable for you. Here you have like this little hanging tag. So again, you do have a strap if you want to wear it long. Otherwise, you have this little shorter handle here. This is absolutely beautiful, and the color is gorgeous. It's like a perfect warmer brown on the lighter side. So, so beautiful. Awesome. Look at that. Look at those. Now we have the last piece, which I was so excited about. Again, I told you I like to show you a little bit of a variety, but I also wanted to be realistic, and I'm like, let me get things that I will actually use. So knowing myself, I'm either like with my hands-free wallet running errands like crazy, or there are times where I'm like, you know, date night or whatever it may be, where I need a purse or like a formal event or something. I'm like, what do I have? And I have pieces that are like older, which are fine, but I wanted something new, something fun, something different. So these I feel like are gorgeous luxury pieces that, like, hello, you cannot go wrong with these. But again, I did want to get something a little bit fun. So the next piece that I'm going to show you, this is the acrylic box handbag. Are we ready for this? Let's see. So here we go. Now this one I also was a little concerned about because it has such fine detail. Oh my goodness. Okay. But I did notice, because I did take a peek, I did notice that it did come with some glue, which, like, people will be like, seriously, did they actually send you glue? But on the other hand, because there are so many small little pieces and details, I appreciate that. I appreciate that they like sent that over, because it's like, if you lose a couple of stones or whatever it may be, here, use this to put it back. I don't know. Some people might not like it. I don't mind. It's all good. Let's open this up. Oh my goodness. I have to show you a close-up of this. How beautiful. Can you see this? This is so fun. I feel like this you could really dress up and wear like with a formal dress or something like that. Or you can dress up like a casual outfit with like jeans and a cute top. Can you tell I'm a millennial? Jeans and a cute top, and just dress it up with this and like a pair of heels. Perfect for like girls' night out or date night. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Obviously, okay, so it is an acrylic box, so it is acrylic material. It is like heavy, so it's like a good weight. This is so pretty. I love the detail. I love the little flower. I'm like scared to open it up though. That's a me thing. I just don't want to like damage it. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like, and you also get another long strap, and this is gold. Really, really pretty. And you have, ooh, you have like a little slit in here, a little pocket to put accessories in and stuff like that. Okay, so this also comes in 1, 2, 3, 4. This comes in 5 different colorways. I went with white because I feel like you can't go wrong with that. They have white, sky blue, gold. Ooh, the gold is pretty. Red, and black. Now, so this comes in 5 different colorways, and this is beautiful. I love, love, love the white and gold. I'm gonna show you a close-up so you can see. Let's put the strap so you can see. This is also adjustable, so you can adjust the length. So that's with the longer strap. This is so beautiful. The flowers, seriously my favorite part. Here's what the back looks like, or you can just wear it like that. Oh my gosh. Imagine this just like a cute little outfit on the night out in town or something. This is beautiful. I love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, so those were my choices. I hope it was helpful to show you like how to wear these, how to dress these up or dress them down, what these bags would look good with. But obviously, yeah, you can wear them with whatever you feel comfortable with, but they are absolutely beautiful. Again, a huge thank you to Verano Hill. If you want to go ahead and check them out, I would leave all that information down below for you to go ahead and take a look. And remember, they are currently running a promotion of buy one, get one free. Please, like, go snag the deal, because why not? Get at least two, right? Get at least two, and then, you know, shop for more if you want. But these were my choices, my little unboxing, my little haul. Go check them out for yourself, see what they have to offer. They have so many different styles, so many different colors. I'm sure that you will find the right one for you. Again, for like everyday wear, out on the go, formal attire, whatever it may be. They have beautiful, beautiful pieces, fun pieces, day-to-day pieces. They're beautiful. So yes, again, a huge thank you to Verano Hill. These pieces are gorgeous. If you did enjoy this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, or you could subscribe if you want. Ring the bell for notifications. That way you get notified anytime I upload or anything like that. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to leave all of that down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.